If traditional car manufacturing is akin to a complex symphony with hundreds of instruments, Tesla's rapid upgrade of the Giga Press to 50,000 tons resembles replacing the entire orchestra with a powerful super synthesizer. This colossal machine not only reduces vehicle weight by 15% and eliminates over 370 redundant notes. So, what is Tesla upgrading that makes the Giga Press one of a kind? Before we begin, please help us reach 4,600 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Model Q, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. How can the Giga Press be upgraded to 50,000 tons? According to recent information from Reuters, Tesla will implement significant changes to its Giga Press system to enhance performance beyond the current models, which have a pressure capacity of 50,000 tons. One of the notable upgrades is the improvement of the clamping system, which will increase clamping capacity, aimed at optimizing the production process for electric vehicle models such as the Model 3 and Model Y. This proprietary technology not only helps create lighter vehicle frames, but also eliminates unnecessary components, making the vehicle operation smoother at connection points. Since officially adopting Giga Press technology at the Giga Shanghai plant in 2020, Tesla has continuously expanded its deployment globally, with a total of about 15 Giga Press machines now operating at major production facilities such as Fremont, Berlin, Texas, and Shanghai. Truly surprisingly, at Giga, Texas, Tesla has installed 5 Giga Press machines, including 2 that are larger than the 16,000-ton pressure models previously used at other plants. While 16,000 tons of pressure is sufficient for producing smaller and lighter frames for the Model 3 and Model Y, it is not strong enough for larger and more complex vehicle frames like the Cybertruck. Based on information we have received, Tesla has decided to upgrade Giga Press comprehensively to meet the requirements of producing larger and more high-performance electric vehicle models. Tesla is currently developing a new generation of Giga Press with a pressure capacity of 50,000 tons, thereby enhancing production capabilities compared to previous systems. This technology was put into operation at the beginning of this year, and it is expected that 2 more 50,000-ton Giga Press machines will be added by September. We were truly surprised to learn that many parts for smaller vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y have already been produced using this technology, according to leaked sources from Tesla. This change also supports the production plan for a $25,000 electric vehicle, which is expected to open up the mass electric vehicle market. This model will be produced at Giga Texas using a boxless manufacturing strategy. However, with its compact size, this vehicle may lack trunk space, making it an ideal candidate for having the entire frame cast using Giga Press. Unfortunately, Tesla has not yet been able to cast the entire frame for the Model 2 using the 50,000-ton Giga Press machine. Although the machine has been optimized for large parts like the Cybertruck, Tesla's goal is to cast the entire frame, including the front, rear, and structural battery pack, into a single block for the $25,000 vehicle. This requires new technology and design, making the 9,000-ton Giga Press unsuitable for the Model 2. It is expected that Tesla will develop the Giga Casting 2.0 technology using new Giga Press machines, capable of pressing up to 50,000 tons or more. These gigantic machines will allow for casting the entire Model 2 frame into a seamless block, helping to reduce costs, weight, and production time. However, increasing the Giga Press capacity to this level comes with technical challenges. First, increasing the pressure means the system must be expanded in both size and weight, requiring much larger factory space. Furthermore, developing new molds to accommodate molten metal could drive costs up to $3.5 million, even with minor changes in size or design. Due to such high investment costs, many traditional car manufacturers typically avoid developing casting systems like Tesla's. However, with a long-term vision and a strong innovation strategy, Tesla is truly willing to face these challenges to reshape the global electric vehicle industry. According to Reuters, Tesla has embarked on an ambitious innovation strategy, collaborating with top engineers from the US, Japan, the UK, and Germany. The company has developed a completely new molding process using advanced industrial 3D sand printing technology. The sand is compressed under extremely high pressure to create molds with precise and complex shapes. Compared to traditional metal molds, 3D sand molds only cost about 2% of the price, but still allow for the casting of high technical details. An interesting feature of this process is the full recyclability of the sand, helping to reduce waste and contribute positively to environmental protection, aligning with Tesla's sustainable development philosophy. However, using extremely high pressure could damage the sand molds, making the casting process unstable. To address this issue, Tesla is researching the possibility of combining two methods: injection molding for precision and more durable molds, while maintaining the high production efficiency of Giga Press. If successful, this could be the key to accelerating the assembly process for electric vehicles, opening a new era in automotive manufacturing. Once again, please help us reach 4,600 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. Why is the Giga Press considered a multifunctional machine? Giga Press is not just a high-capacity press. It is gradually becoming the multi-purpose printer of the electric vehicle industry. Tesla believes this is the right direction for producing all future electric vehicles. As Elon Musk once shared, "We've finally figured it out, and I believe this is how all electric vehicles will be made. It is the right path to do everything." In 2020, Tesla became the exclusive owner of the Giga Press system, the revolutionary high-pressure die-casting machine, solidifying its leadership in producing modern electric vehicle components. This technology not only creates significant advantages for current models, but also lays the foundation for future generations of vehicles. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, which require drilling thousands of holes into about 70 sheets of metal and then welding them together, Giga Press enables the integration of all these parts into a seamless block. No welding, no dimensional discrepancies, and almost no manufacturing defects. The die casting process significantly reduces the weight of the frame, up to 35% compared to traditional welding methods, while improving mechanical precision and optimizing load-bearing capacity. Specifically for the Tesla Model Y, Giga Press technology helped reduce production costs for the rear frame by 40%. For the Model 3, the use of Giga Press allowed for the elimination of approximately 600 robots from the production line, thanks to the removal of numerous manual assembly steps and previously roboticized tasks, making the production process smoother, more streamlined, and cost-efficient. Beyond production benefits, Giga Press also plays a significant role in Tesla's sustainability strategy. By eliminating dozens of separate parts from each vehicle, the system helps reduce material waste, cut carbon emissions, and shorten the supply chain, increasingly important in an automotive industry under pressure to meet stringent emissions regulations. For the Model 2, an affordable vehicle attracting widespread attention from the market, the deployment of Giga Press is expected to be a key factor in accelerating mass production and lowering costs. Integrating Giga Press into the process of die casting the Model 2's frame as a single unit will not only help Tesla maintain its cost advantage, but also strengthen its competitive position against other automakers, especially those from China. In conclusion, Giga Press is the strategic cornerstone that helps Tesla maintain its lead in technology, cost, and production volume, a clear advantage in the global electric vehicle manufacturing race. Tesla's advanced Giga Press is not just a manufacturing tool. It is a living symbol of the company's technological dominance and exceptional manufacturing capability. As the embodiment of modern engineering, Giga Press surpasses any system that competitors in the industry can offer, becoming the primary catalyst for reducing costs and increasing production efficiency at Tesla. Not only does it cast the seamless frame for the Model Y or Model 3, but Giga Press also demonstrates such flexibility that it can replace hundreds of robots on the production line, something that was once considered the core of the automotive industry. This giant machine is regarded as a true technological marvel, attracting attention and even imitation from major global competitors. Toyota was one of the first to copy this groundbreaking production method. Recently, the company unveiled a similar die-casting system, capable of producing the rear third of an electric vehicle using a single molten aluminum mold. a process that previously required 33 separate steps. With this new technology, the time to create a complete part has been reduced to about 3 minutes, compared to several hours before. Toyota aims to produce 3.5 million electric vehicles annually by the end of this decade. And applying this Giga Press imitation technology is key to achieving that goal. Not only Toyota, but Hyundai has also quickly joined the technological race by developing its own casting system, named Hyper Casting. On August 21, 2023, Hyundai officially filed for trademark protection in the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office to protect this technology. Like Tesla, Hyper Casting injects molten aluminum alloy into a die to create a seamless frame with the ability to produce larger components than typical. Hyundai plans to roll out this technology by 2026 and aims to rank among the top 3 electric vehicle manufacturers globally by 2030, with 31 electric vehicle models introduced. Meanwhile, Volkswagen is also in the game. In 2022, the company unveiled its own mega casting system, which consolidates 30 separate parts into a single block, reducing the car's weight by up to 22 pounds. However, with a pressure capacity of only 4,400 tons and a cycle time of about 2 minutes, Volkswagen's capabilities still fall short compared to what Tesla has achieved and is about to achieve. Interestingly, despite copying Giga Press technology, Volkswagen has downplayed the value of this technology in public statements, a defensive strategy that clearly reflects growing concerns about Tesla's technological strength. In a significant development, Tesla is said to be working on a version of the Giga Press with a capacity of up to 50,000 tons, surpassing all current specifications of competitors. If this comes to fruition, Tesla will further solidify its position as an irreplaceable manufacturing powerhouse in the electric vehicle industry. The combination of Giga Press and Elon Musk's innovative drive has opened a new era, where the frames of Tesla electric vehicles offer remarkable lightness, durability, and efficiency, not only improving range and reducing emissions, but also creating an ideal foundation for future strategic products like the Tesla Model 2 and the Optimus humanoid robot. Both will benefit from this seamless casting technology, significantly lowering costs and accelerating large-scale production. Giga Press is not just a leap forward in engineering. It is a new industry standard, setting a benchmark that only Tesla can surpass. While competitors are still scrambling to replicate what Tesla has done for years, Elon Musk and his team are ready to move to the next level, where each press not only creates a vehicle part, but also leaves a lasting mark shaping the future of the global industry. Why has Tesla heavily invested in Giga Press technology? Tesla is making a major bet on Giga Press technology as a strategic move to completely redefine the way electric vehicles are manufactured in the future. Giga Press is currently seen as a core technology in Tesla's plan to scale production, representing a significant leap in casting technology. Although concrete data on its full efficiency is still limited, the automotive casting market, which includes components of various sizes, is projected to grow significantly, reaching $126 billion by 2032, an increase of about 70% over the next decade. Tesla also uses large castings to integrate the vehicle floor with the battery pack, allowing multiple components to be built simultaneously instead of assembling them one by one. This approach has shortened assembly line size and increased production efficiency by up to 10%. More importantly, Giga casting not only improves manufacturing efficiency, but also allows for greater design flexibility compared to traditional stamping, enabling the creation of more complex shapes and the addition of metal reinforcements in previously hard-to-reach areas. Elon Musk has emphasized that to build efficient electric cars, you need to use more aluminum, fewer parts, and less complexity. Tesla is putting that philosophy into practice by increasing aluminum usage to reduce vehicle weight, thereby improving driving range and cutting carbon dioxide emissions. However, experts note that while Giga casting has the potential to revolutionize auto manufacturing, it still faces significant technical challenges and may not yet fully replace traditional methods in every application. Nevertheless, under current conditions, Giga Press remains the most advanced and effective casting technology, which Tesla is exploiting to maintain its competitive edge. It is not just a manufacturing tool, it is becoming a symbol of Tesla's bold transformation as it leads the global shift toward electric vehicles. We appreciate your contributions and hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Techno Creator family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.